Hello and welcome. Let me show you how to create features using selection or using clip, and I'm using ESRI's ArcGIS 9.2. First thing you're going to do is add a couple of layers to your map. This is ArcMap, and I'm going to add the states shapefile and also the roads shapefile. Click on add, and it's going to add this map of Mexico and also the road network. Now if you want to label the features, what you can do is do a right click on the states layer and click on label features. That is going to label all the states, and let's zoom in. And if you want to make a separate shapefile for the state of Durango, what we can do is click on the select features icon and click on Durango. It's gonna highlight Durango by drawing this light blue colored outline and select Durango. So we're gonna save it as a separate shapefile. For that, what you need to do is right click on the states layer and go to data, and here we're going to click on export data. And what we are going to do is change the name of the shapefile, and we're going to call it Durango state, and click OK. And we're going to keep the coordinate system the same as the layer source coordinate system. Okay, click OK, and it's asking if you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer. Yes, we want to do that. Notice that this purple colored layer is the Durango state shapefile, and if I hide the states layer by unchecking this box, you're gonna see that we have created a separate shapefile for Durango state. And let's go ahead and label this. Click on label features. And what we want to do now is clip the road network so that it shows only the roads that are in Durango state. To do that, click on this arc toolbox icon that looks like a red toolbox. If you click on it, it's going to bring up this arc toolbox window. Here, click on the plus sign to expand the analysis toolbar, and now click on this plus sign for the extract to expand that toolbar, and double click on the clip option. It's going to bring up this window. What you're going to do is select the input features, and you can browse and open the input features, or if the input features are already in your layer palette, you can find them by clicking on this drop down. And what we want is we want Durango state as the input feature, and we want to clip, I'm sorry, it's the other way around. we want the roads as the input features, and we want to use Durango State, the outline of Durango State, to clip the roads. And it's giving it a default name, so I'll just go with that default name. And XY tolerance is optional, so I'm not gonna add any value to that box, and I'm just gonna click OK. And here you're gonna see that it completed the operation, and we're gonna close this. Notice that we see a new layer in our layer palette called roads _ clip 1, and that's the new layer we created by clipping the road network. And if I hide the roads by unchecking this box, you're gonna notice that now we have the Durango State outline, and this road network is clipped from the road network of the country of Mexico, and we only show the major roads in Durango. And that's how you're gonna do a clip operation. Thanks for watching.